first start up with that auction and what can we make of it and what can we expect?
For the Treasury Bills auction today, I mean, we don't expect any surprises. The volume on offer is quite low, so we anticipate a further drop in rates from the last auction.
All right, but look, what about the market sentiment this week so far? It's Wednesday, and what have investors been playing in the markets in Nigeria?
Opening today, what we've seen is demand on every front. So in the Treasury Bills market, there's demand across the tenor and in the bond space as well. The market opened lower than where it closed yesterday, and what we've also seen is demand. However, supply is limited. CBN has not conducted any more auction in recent weeks, and then we do not expect the next bond auction till next week. So supply is rather limited, and most of the demand remains unfilled.
All right, but what is the liquidity situation so far for this week, and what can you expect going into next week?
Liquidity has been stable, averaging 200 billion this week, and nothing significant has really happened. So money market rates have also remained stable around 5-6% levels, and we do not anticipate any change in this liquidity levels, at least until Friday, in case the CBN debits banks for CRR, and then of course the FX auction. Other than that, we don't expect anything significant to change.
All right, but looking at that FX space, though, what are your expectations for the naira, especially around the parallel market? You think we're going to see more pressures playing out there?
I mean, the expectation, from most quarters is that we'll continue to witness a further depreciation of rates, and also following from the fact that the CBN has continued to, increase the official rate. It's a signal to the market, essentially, that we're going to continue to see these sort of actions, going forward, where they try to unify all rates as much as possible, and that would probably mean a further depreciation in rates.
All right, we're expecting to see the inflation numbers coming out either this week or early next week, but how do you think the market is pricing that in?
Can you say that again, please?
Yeah, inflation figures expected. How is the market pricing it in?
Okay. Well, inflation has not been a significant factor in our market, following from the fact that the gap between the inflation rate and interest rate levels at the moment is quite wide. So there has really not been any correlation between inflation and what is happening in the market. Money is just chasing after whatever investment outlets are available, and that's our reality at the moment.